we go ahead and open her up. It's just a little snap-on. Just lift this and try to bring this with it. You have a little instructions. You have your plaque here. Nice little fabric. A little flimsy though, but they're alright. Got your little screws and your bracket. Yep, I'd say this deer is going to look pretty good when we get this baby on there. See if I got that. Yeah. One like that right there. Needs a little gold plate. That'd be alright. Let's see, it looks like we got tacks and screws, so anyway, there you have it. This is a Easy Mount Corporation Deer Antlers mounting kit. We deliver only top quality products to you. Pretty cool. I was actually wanting the green one. I think there was like a couple more out there, but memory serves me right, I think one of them actually was bought. So anyway, until next time, we'll show what them antlers look like.